Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to discuss with you second messenger system. Basically, second messengers are molecules that relay signals received at receptors on the cell surface, such as arrival of protein, hormones, growth factors, etc. These second messengers target molecules in the cytosol or cytoplasm or nucleus to alter the physiological process of that cell, and these are amplifiers that increase the strength of the signals given to the cells. Many different scientists observed different second messenger systems. Like Sutherland was a scientist who observed that epinephrine would stimulate the liver to convert glycogen to glucose in liver cells, but epinephrine alone would not convert glycogen to glucose. So, in liver cells, there are certain second messengers which help epinephrine to convert this glycogen to glucose. There are three major classes of second messenger system: adenylyl cyclase, cyclic AMP second messenger system, and um, cyclic GMP messenger system are adenylyl cyclase based. Then cell membrane phospholipid second messenger system and calcium calmodulin second messenger system. Cyclic AMP, some of the hormones that act via cyclic AMP mechanism are epinephrine, adrenocorticotropic hormone, FSH, LH, glucagon, then parathyroid hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, calcitonin, glucagon, and what happens that when the hormone binds to the receptor, the receptor is activated and a G protein inside the cell activates adenylyl cyclase. Adenylyl cyclase converts ATP to cyclic AMP, and this cyclic AMP serves as second messenger. So the first messenger was the hormone which binded to the receptor on the cell surface, but CAMP is the cyclic AMP is the second messenger. What it does, it activates protein kinases and thus triggering response of target cell like activating enzymes, stimulating cellular secretion, opening ion channels, etc. Thus, we can say that it alters the physiology of the cell. Then is cyclic GMP. Cyclic GMP is synthesized from nucleotide GTP using the enzyme guanylyl cyclase. Cyclic GMP also serves as second messenger. It serves for atrial natriuretic peptide ANP, nitric oxide, and also for the response of rods of retina to light. Then cell membrane phospholipid second messenger system protein hormones like vasopressin, thyroid stimulating hormone, angiotensin, and neurotransmitter like GABA. These work through this system, this second messenger system. They bind to a G protein coupled receptor GPCRs that activate the intracellular enzyme phospholipase C or PLC. This PLC hydrolyzes phospholipids, specifically phosphatidyl inositol 4,5-bisphosphate, that is PIP2. In short, PIP2, which is found in the inner layer of the plasma membrane. Then hydrolysis of this PIP2 yields inositol triphosphate or IP3 and diacylglycerol or DAG. This DAG remains in the inner layer of plasma membrane but this IP3 or inositol 1,4,5 triphosphate diffuses through the cytosol and binds to the receptor on the endoplasmic reticulum, causing the release of calcium ion into the cytosol. Normally, in cytosol there are less calcium ions. In the ECF there are more calcium ion, and also calcium is stored in the endoplasmic reticulum of the cell. When calcium is released into the cytosol, uh, these calcium ions have their own second messenger system by binding to a protein called calmodulin. This calmodulin becomes activated and stimulates signaling through calcium calmodulin dependent protein kinases. Like it causes smooth muscle contraction and changes in cell secretion. Then calcium calmodulin second messenger system. This second messenger system is started when calcium enters into the cell. Normally in the cell calcium level is very low, but there are main two deposits of calcium for the cell, ECF, extracellular fluid, and endoplasmic reticulum, or in muscle cell, sarcoplasmic reticulum. In different signal responses, a rise in concentration of calcium in the cytosol triggers many types of events like muscle contraction, exocytosis. By exocytosis, neurotransmitter can be released into the synapse, or different hormone secretion occur, like secretion of insulin from the beta langerins of pancreas. Or it also causes activation of T cells and B cells when they bind antigen with their antigen receptors, TCRs or BCRs respectively. It also causes adhesion of cell to extracellular matrix, ECM. It also causes apoptosis, that is programmed cell death. Also, many biochemical changes are mediated by protein kinase C. So these were the second messenger system, major second messenger system, which are used in our body. Hopefully you have completely understood this topic. If you have any question regarding it, you can ask on group. Thank you, class.